హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ రాకేష్ ట్యుటోరియల్స్. మీకు 10th క్లాస్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నా వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్కి మెసేజ్ చేయండి. నేను మీ డౌట్స్ని క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. ఇంకా మీ అందరికీ చిన్న రిక్వెస్ట్, మీలో ఇంకా ఎవరైనా నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకుంటే ప్లీజ్ వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ బటన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అప్పుడే నేను అప్లోడ్ చేసే వీడియోస్ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్గా వస్తాయి. అలాగే నా ఛానల్ని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ క్లాస్మేట్స్కి షేర్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి. నాకు మోటివేషన్ లాగా ఉంటుంది. టుడే అవర్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.3. First bit, third question. 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Okay. So given equation is 2 by root x, given 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. So observe in denominator, it is root x, 1 by root x, 1 by root y, 1 by root x, 1 by root y. So let 1 by root x is equal to a and 1 by root y is equal to b. Okay, 1 by root x is equal to a and 1 by root y is equal to b. Then substitute these values. It is 2 by root x means it is 2a plus it is 3 by root y, 3 into 1 by root y, 1 by root y means b. So it is 3b is equal to 2. This is equation number 1. Next it is 4 by root x. 4 by root x means 4a minus it is 9 by root y. 9 by root y means 1 by root y is equal to b. So it is minus 9b is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now observe the coefficients. It is a coefficient is 2. Here a coefficient is 4. So if we multiply with equation 1 with 2, it is 4a. Then 4a both are same sign, so subtract it. So first do equation 1 into 2. This implies 2 2 ja 4a plus 2 3 ja 6b is equal to 2 2 ja 4. Okay. Next equation 2 is equation 2, 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Okay, subtract it. Subtracting means plus becomes minus in second equation. It is plus na, so it is minus. It is minus means plus. Here also minus means plus. Plus 4a minus 4a. Both are get cancelled. Next 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15b is equal to 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 15b is equal to 5. So b is equal to 5 by 15. b is equal to 5 by 15. Because here 15 is multiplying, transposing to RHS means dividing. Now cut it. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. So b is equal to 1 by 3. b is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. b is equal to 1 by 3 na. But 1 by root y is equal to b. We have but 1 by root y is equal to b. So 1 by root y is equal to b means 1 by 3. Okay. Do cross multiplication. Okay. So 1 into root y is equal to 3 into 1. Okay, 1 into root y is root y, 3 1 ja 3. So apply squares on both sides. Apply squares on both sides. SBS means apply squares on both sides. Means ఇరువైపులా వర్గం చేయాలి. సో స్క్వేర్ అప్లై చేస్తే రూట్ వై హోల్ స్క్వేర్ is equal to 3 square. Square root cancel. So y is equal to 3 square. 3 square means 9. Okay. So y is equal to 9. Now substitute b is equal to 1 by 3. B is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. In equation 1. Substitute b is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. In equation 1. Equation 1 is 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. So 2a plus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Here 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. So both are get cancelled. 3 1 ja 3 1 ja. So 2a plus 1 1 ja 1 is equal to 2. Now transpose plus 1 to RHS. Then 2a is equal to 2 plus becomes minus. So it is minus 1. So 2a is equal to 1. 2a is equal to 1. A is equal to 2 is multiplying now. Transposing means dividing. So a is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. But a is equal to what? A is equal to 1 by root x from here. See, 1 by root x is equal to a means a is equal to 1 by root x. So a is how much? 1 by 2. It is 1 by root x. Do cross multiplication. 1 into root x is equal to 2 into 1. So root x is equal to 2. Now apply SBS. Apply squares on both sides. Squares on both sides. So root x whole square is equal to 2 square. Square root get cancel. X is equal to 2 square. 2 square means 4. Okay. So therefore x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Therefore solution x comma y is 4 comma 9. Therefore solution is x comma y is 4 comma 9. So students, this is the answer of the question. ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా ఈ ప్రాబ్లం గురించి డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి, నేను మీ డౌట్ని క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. ఇంకా మీరు నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకుంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకొని పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ బటన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అలాగే నా ఛానల్ని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ క్లాస్మేట్స్కి షేర్ చేసి నాకు సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ పెరిగేలా చూడండి. ఇలాంటి మంచి మంచి వీడియోస్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటాను.